This is Motorola ThinkPhone, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can set up and use the nearby share function on this device. So the first step that you need to take is to make sure that mobile data, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are all enabled. After you've done that, open the control center, find the nearby share nearby share shortcut over here. Touch and hold onto its tile, turn the switch on and enable the nearby share. From here you can rename the device if you want to. You can make your device visible or invisible respectively, as well as change its visibility mode. And finally, you can also manage what particular data mode will be used for file transfer over here, and you are all set pretty much. So let me quickly try to transfer this screenshot I have and receive it on the ThinkPhone. So that's my device discovered. Tap on it, then accept transfer at the receiver's end, wait for the photo or any other file to be sent and received respectively, and here you have it. Alrighty, so that will be it for today. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.